Prospermation time. All right, this one says, I deny the appearance of dis-ease. I have the power to heal my body. You do. Now, oftentimes I've noticed that when there's something wrong with them or they feel like something's not quite right, once they go to the doctor and find out they have this thing, then all of a sudden, everything lines up for that thing to be really what's going on in their lives. And it's so odd. One day you find out you have a thing, and then next thing you know, you're so sick from this thing. But it's kind of like you didn't get totally sick from the thing until they told you that it was a thing. So and I keep saying the thing because I don't want to really claim any of that stuff over this body over here. So anyway, but try to refrain from claiming the diseases that someone gives you. Try to refrain from claiming the labels that they give you, that they want to place upon you, because once you claim the disease, it's like you put it on and now you're going to wear it. And then it's going to really fully show up for you in your life. So I deny the appearance of dis-ease in this body, and I have the power to heal my body. Now, in our community, we teach you how to heal your body. So on the next clip, you're going to see how you can participate in all that. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.